Passenger coaches, both modern and vintage, some dating to over 100 years old. Now each coach has been named after a lake or river in either Alaska or northwestern Canada. One of our oldest coaches is Lake Emerald, number 244, built in 1883. Now you will want to keep your eyes to the left, for shortly we'll be passing by a large red building. Now these are our White Path shops, and here is where we maintain all 80 passenger coaches, as the Yukon. Now this highway makes Skagway one and only 3 towns in southeast Alaska to have road access. The other 2 towns are Haines and Hyder. Below. The workers could only go out and work for just an hour or so each day. They also had to deal with the long hours of winter darkness, extremely high winds. Now the men would be roped together on a smooth rock face, dangling 1,000 feet above the valley floor. Now once again, we are going to be crossing over that wooden trestle bridge. You'll want to have those cameras out and ready as our train makes a sharp curve to the left and enters the 250 timer. Be sure to hold on to something.